Hello students, welcome to your brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Students, I promise you to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. As for my promise, I have completed your syllabus. Now we are going through our revision series. In my last sessions, we have discussed about linear equation. Today we continue with percentage. Students, be regular with my class and follow my class regularly and do your exercises regularly and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear all your doubts. Today we continue with percentage. What is percentage? At first think what is percentage. Percentage is the concept of percentage you have already discussed in class 7. Now we review with this. Percentage is the many hundredth. How many hundredth? Suppose x%. X% means x upon 100. 10% means 10 upon 100. How many upon 100 is the percentage of a number? Suppose 36% each means 36 upon 100. Convert it into its lowest term. This is 9 upon 25. If a rational number is given and you have asked to convert it into percentage, simply multiply with it hundreds. Suppose 9 upon 25, the rational number is given and you have asked in the paper to convert it into percentage, simply multiply with 100, then you get this is 36%. Suppose percentage is given and you have to convert it into rational number, then 120% means 120 upon 100, then convert it into its simplest form. This is 6 upon 5. When 6 upon 5 the rational number is given and you have asked in the paper convert it into percentage, then you simply multiply with 100, then you get this is 120%. Then when a percentage is given and you are asked to keep it here, in exam paper, suppose percentage is given and you have asked to convert it into decimal, then how can you convert it into decimal? Suppose 80%. 80% means 80 upon 100, which is equal to 0.8 in decimal form. Suppose 205% is given and convert it into decimal is asked in your paper, then simply write it as 100th, a denominator 100, then this is 2.05 in decimal form. Then how can you convert the rational number into percentage? Suppose 11 upon 6 the rational number is given and you have asked to convert it into percentage, then simply multiply with 100, then you get 1100 upon 6 means 550 upon 6 upon 3%. This is, then suppose the ratio is given 3:4, the ratio is given and you have asked it convert into percentage, then 3:4 means 3 upon 4, simply multiply with it 100, then you get this is equal to 75%. Okay, then let us discuss some problems, some word problems. Then here the word problem says which is largest, compare which is largest. Here percentage is given and rational number is given and decimal number is given. You have to compare which is largest here. This is in percent, this is in rational number and this is in decimal form. Then simply convert it into rational number. 16 whole 2 upon 3 means this is 50 upon 3
percentage, which is equal to 50 upon 3 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 6. This is 0.166. This is the decimal form of the percentage. 2 upon 15 when converted into decimal form, this is 0.133, and here the another decimal number is given 0.12. Then easily you can compare which is greater, this and this. Then we say that 0.166 is greater than 0.133, which is greater than 0.12. This means 16 whole 2 upon 3% is greater than 2 upon 15 is greater than 0.12. Then let us discuss some more problems. I have already told you, students, please practice variety of questions. Then you can solve any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here the question says, what percent of 120 is 90? Then how can you find out this? What percent of 120 is 90? Then this means 90 upon you scored 90 out of 1 for 20. Then what is its percentage? What is percentage of 120 is 90. This means 90 upon 120 into 100. When you convert this is 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja, then cut it. Then this is equal to 75%. Then another question is given, what percent of 1 kg is 5 gram? Then out of 1 kg you have taken 5 gram. This means 5 gram upon 1 kg into 100, which is equal to 5 gram 1 kg converted into gram. This is 1000 gram into 100. Then 0 0 cancel. Then this is equal to 1 upon 2. This means which is equal to 0.5 percentage. Then what is the percentage of 3.5 liter is 150 ml? You have taken 150 ml out of 3.5 liter. Then convert this 3.5 liter into milliliter. This is 3500. Then convert it into percentage. Simply multiply with 100. 0 0 cancel, which is equal to, when you cut it into 5 7 ja, and this is 30. This is equal to 30 upon 7 percentage. This is 30 upon 7 percentage, which is equal to 4 whole 2 upon 7 percentage. Then when you convert it into mixed fractions, this is 4 whole 2 upon 7 percentage. Then let us discuss some more word problems. Here another question says, students, please do your exercises worksheet regularly, and if there is any doubt, please ask me in my comment box. I am ever ready to clear your doubt. At first, try to understand the concept of percentage. Here the question says, find the 7 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 2400. Then you have to find out 7 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 2400. Then this is 15 upon 2% of rupees 2400. Then 15 upon 2% means write the denominator 100. Then this of means multiply. This is 2400. 0 0 cancels. 2. This is 12, which is equal to rupees 180. 7 whole 1 upon 2% of rupees 2500 is rupees 180. When you have taken 7.5% of rupees 2400, you get this is 180 rupees. Then let us discuss some another examples. Here the question is asked, 26% of a number is 65, then find the number. Here the question is given 26% of a number. Let the number be x is equal to 65. You have to find out what is the number whose 26% is 65. You have taken let the number be x. Then here 26% means 26 upon 100 into x is equal to 65, which imply x is equal to 65 into 100 upon 26. Then 13 5 ja, 13 2 ja, then 250, which is equal, the number is 250, whose 26% is 65. You don't know what is the number. Here the question says, whose 26% of a given number is 65, find the number. Let the number be x, whose 26% is equal to 65. 26% of x equal to 65. Then you find the value of x is 250. Here let us solve some more questions. Here another question says, Sarita spends 65% of her salary and rest she saves. Sarita spends 65% of her salary. You don't know what is the salary of Sarita, and she saves the rest persons. But you found that she saves rupees 2904. Actual Sarita saves rupees 2904 rupees. But here the condition says, out of Sarita's salary, he spends 65% and rest 35% she saves, which is equal to 2940. You don't know the salary of Sarita. Here the question is asked to find the salary of Sarita. Let the salary of Sarita be x. Let the salary, the unknown thing which is asked, should be taken as x. Let the salary of Sarita be x. Then here, according to the questions, 35% Sarita saves, which is 2940. 35% of x, according to the questions ATQ, 35% of x is equal to 2940. 35% means 35 upon 100 into x is equal to 2940. Then x is equal to 2940 into 100 upon 35. Then you get the answer is rupees 8400. Means the salary of Sarita is 8400, out of which 65% she spends and he saves only 35%, which is 2940. Okay, then let us discuss some another examples. Please students, practice variety of questions. Here the question says the number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Find the net increase or decrease percent. You don't know what is the number. Let the number be x, and it increased 20%, means 120% of x is equal to 120 upon 100 into x, which is equal to 6x upon 5. Then after that the number is decreased by 20%, means the number when decreased by 20%, the number becomes 80%. 80% of x, which is 80% of x means no, 80% of the increased number 6x upon 5. 80% of 6x upon 5, which is equal to 80 upon 100 into 6x upon 5. Then here this is 2, 4, 5. This is equal to 24x upon 25. Then after decreasing the number becomes 25 24x upon 25, but the number is taken x. Then here we have to find out net increase or decrease. Here this is decrease because the number is x. When increased by 20%, it becomes 6x upon 5. Then after increasing it, then decreased by 20%, means 80% of 6x upon 5 you get. This is 24x upon 5. Then here the net decreased is x minus 24x upon 25 into 100, which is equal to 25 is the LCM. 25x minus 24x into 100, which is equal to x upon 25 into 100. Then this is 4x%. Then this is 24x upon 100. Then here we get out of x. This is out of x. Then here x cancel, we get 4%. Net decrease is 4% here. Okay. Then let us discuss another type questions. Here in the question says, in an exam, our one requires 40% marks to pass. Then here Rahul gets, here in an exam there was the conditions to score 40% is the passing mark. Here in the exam there is a condition 40% is the passing mark, but Rahul gets 185 mark and fail by 15 mark. Rahul get 185 mark but fail by 15 marks, means the passing mark is equal to 185 plus 15, because Rahul have already scored 185, but the teacher asked him that he was failed by 15 marks, means he requires 15 more marks to pass, means the pass mark is equal to 185 plus 15 means 200 mark. Then here you have to find out the total mark. You don't know what is the total mark. Let the total mark be x. The condition is 45% of total mark is the passing mark. Here according to questions 40% of x is equal to 200, which is 40 upon 100 into x is equal to 200, means x is equal to 200 into 100 upon 40, 0 cancel, 4 5 ja, means the total mark is 500 mark. Here you have to score 200 out of 500 to pass in the exam paper. Okay. Then let us discuss some more examples. Here in this video contains the whole chapter of percentage. Please students, do your worksheets and ask me your doubt. I am ever ready to clear all your doubts. Here the question says, A's income is 60% more than B. What percent B's income less than by A? Here the question says, A's income is 60% more than that of B. More than that of B. Then but what percent B's income is less than A? Here you have to find out by what percent B's income is less than A. Let the income of B be rupees 100. Then age income is 60% more. This means age income is equal to rupees 160 because the income of A is more 60% more than B. Then here this shows that A's income is 160, then B's income is 100. Then we have to find out B's income less than A. This is equal to 100 upon 160 into 100, which is equal to 62.5. This B means B's income is 62.5%. Then B's income is less than A's income by 100 minus 62.5, which is equal to 37.5%. Then students, today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with profit and loss. Today this